optimization, first of all, we need to understand that what is a search engine, right? So we'll know little bit of concept of search engine, right? So what is the main difference between SEM and SEO? SEM is like whenever we want to show the result on first page of Google, we have to pay to them. That is paid advertising. We show the results. But SEO is we don't pay anything. It's an organically we bring our website on the first page. So to bring organically our website on the first page of search engine, we have to learn the different techniques and techniques that how we can bring our website on the first page of any search engine, right? So we have search engines like Google, that is the widely used search engine. Then we have Bing, Yahoo, Yandex, Baidu, right? So Baidu is used in China, Yandex is used in Russia, that is the search engine. In China, Google is completely banned. But in other countries like European countries, Asia countries, except from China, we have widely used search engine as Google. People prefer Google, even in United States, countries like United States and all that, right? So basically, we'll be understanding the concept through Google point of view, but 95% of the concept applies to the other search engines also, and this is how the things work.